Hi everybody, I just want to show you how to access all of the recordings that I'll be doing for class. I don't have any way to rename them, so I'll do my best to show you, to tell you what each label is along the way. What you'll do is start here with the Foundations for University Success landing page in Blackboard. And I don't know that all of these are accessible for you, but if you look under Blackboard Collaborate and you click the Join Session, you'll get an option to join a course room. That's if we're having a live session. This is not a live session, it's going to be a recording, but if somebody wants to have a live session, I am more than happy to. We can do them one-on-one so that we're both on a video call essentially. We do not have to record them, although if it's something that a lot of people want to see, I might ask if it's okay if I do, in which case it is okay to leave your camera off and just ask questions, just have your microphone, or even leave that off if you like. But to get to the recordings, instead of going to, I'm sorry, I opened up something I didn't intend. Instead of going to the join session, you'll come over here to these three dots and select those three dots. That's going to give you a list like this. Now, I don't know that you have access to disable the course room, but you do have view all recordings, and that is going to take you to this page, and this is where you will find the recordings for the videos that I have made from class. Now, all I can do is get recording 1, recording 2, recording 3. If you find that there are missing numbers, it's because I started and had a false start, and rather than making you sit through 10 minutes of trying to figure out what's wrong with my camera or somebody else's camera or whatever, I just delete those videos. So this is how you find them. Just click the link, watch now. I'm not going to do that and take up your time, but that's all you have to do. That's all there is to it, and I hope that helps, and I'm going to stop there.